How to fix DaVinci Resolve not importing MP4 files. So every time I record something from my iPhone, for example this, I cannot bring it directly to DaVinci. Go to VLC Media Player, then go to Media, Convert, right here, and then simply just drag and drop the video right here. Now let's go to Convert/Save and select the top one, so H264 plus MP3. So let's just select a folder and type in the name and start the conversion. Okay, let's check if it works, and it does. And that's how to fix DaVinci Resolve not importing MP4 files. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.